Hello guys, چطور بهترین؟ Welcome to Rayhun Pals. We have the best of both worlds. Chicken to boost your protein, fried for pleasure. We always have your best interest in mind. It's Chinese chicken fingers. It's not Chinese chicken fingers, it's Rayhun's chicken Chinese fingers. You should prepare marinade and batter. Let's start with marinade. Ingredients for marinade: turmeric, cinnamon powder, red pepper, black pepper, paprika, curry, salt, 1 spoon of tomato ketchup, 8 pieces of chicken fillet, 1 medium-sized onion, bell pepper, sour lemon. Ingredients for batter: garlic powder, thyme powder, paprika powder, curry, turmeric, red pepper, black pepper, cinnamon powder, salt, non-alcoholic beer or carbonated water, egg whites, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 spoon of baking powder. Peel and chop the onion. Chop the bell pepper. Cut the fillets to the desired size. Now add onion, bell pepper, spices, ketchup, and lemon juice. And now let it rest in the fridge for 2 hours. Now, it's time for batter. Stir the egg whites. In another bowl, mix flour, spices, and baking powder. Mix them together and then add the beer. Stir it for a while and then add the egg whites. Since you know you should like and subscribe to our channel, let me tell you a short story about my toxic relationship with my sister Rayhun. You know, she lives in another city. Besides her love to torture people, she's a taghor. Taghor means solo eater and refers to people who do fun, enjoyable activities alone. Now you may wonder why I'm telling you this. Because she always sends this footage to our siblings group. I write her a list of items that she has to cook for us when she visits. I'm not a cooker. I'm an eater. Duh. But she only sometimes fulfills her duty. For instance, Chinese chicken fingers. I've never ever eaten them. So if you wanna try this recipe, I highly recommend you to follow through with this saying. Don't laugh at each other. Laugh with each other. Don't be a solo eater. Let's eat it together.